Live food stations that guests actually love at weddings. No station generates more smiles per square foot at an Indian wedding than a well-run Pani Puri counter. The Pani Puri counter is arguably the most democratic food experience in India. It cuts across age, region, income bracket, and dietary preference in a way no other dish can claim. At weddings, it works because it is inherently interactive. You watch the chef tap the golgappa, you specify your pani ratio, you eat it immediately. A well-curated live chart bar can be styled to match your wedding's entire aesthetic, from rustic earthen to contemporary marble. Where the Pani Puri counter is about speed and immediacy, the live chart bar rewards those who linger. This is a station where guests make choices. They tell the chef what they want in their bhel, how much chutney, whether they want it dry or wet, extra papdi or not, and the chef assembles it live in front of them. The dramatic Parmesan wheel pasta has become one of the most Instagrammed food moments at Indian weddings in 2026. The live pasta station hit Indian wedding circuits around 2022, and far from fading, it has doubled down and evolved. What drove the initial spike, theatrical presentation and broad appeal, is now supercharged by the Parmesan wheel technique that has gone genuinely viral across Indian wedding social media. A live dosa counter draws a line from the moment it opens and keeps drawing one until it closes. The live dosa counter is criminally underused at North Indian weddings, which is exactly why it works so well when you include one. Guests who encounter it treat it as a revelation. At a wedding where everything else is the expected wedding menu, the dosa counter is a breath of fresh air. A live sushi counter signals ambition, but cold chain discipline and a genuinely skilled chef are non-negotiable. The live sushi counter at Indian weddings has moved from novelty to a legitimate option at premium receptions, but it carries the steepest execution risk of any station on this list. When it works, it is genuinely memorable. Guests who have eaten sushi before appreciate the quality, and guests who have not try it out of curiosity and discover something new. Smoke, flame, and the smell of live coal, the kebab station creates an atmosphere no other station can. If you are having an outdoor evening reception and your guest list includes significant meat eaters, the live kebab and grill station is your highest impact investment. The sensory experience it creates, the glow of live coal, the hiss of marinated meat hitting the grill, the smoke curling through warm evening air, the smell, begins working on guests' appetite from 20 meters away. There is nothing quite like freshly made jalebi poured warm into a ball of cold rabdi, and guests know it. The live dessert station is consistently the most underinvested category in Indian wedding catering and represents one of the clearest gaps between what guests remember and what couples budget for. Guests remember the Jalebi Wala. A regional pop-up rooted in the couple's heritage turns a catering decision into an act of cultural storytelling. Of all the live station formats in this guide, the regional specialty pop-up has the highest emotional ceiling. When executed with genuine intention, when the station is not just food but a piece of the couple's own story, it creates moments that guests carry for years. The wrong station wastes budget and blocks space that a better station could have used. Not every live station concept delivers on its promise. Here, specifically and without equivocation, are the formats that consistently underperform at Indian weddings and why. The difference between a live station experience that guests rave about and one that guests barely notice is almost never about the food concept. It is about the execution details, how many staff per station, where the stations are placed relative to each other and the seating, what time they open, and how they close. These are operational decisions, not culinary ones, and they are worth negotiating with your caterer explicitly before signing. Staffing. The rule of thumb is one chef plus one service assistant per 100 guests for a moderately complex station chart, dosa. Find verified caterers, taste test live station setups, and build your wedding food plan with Royal Shadi's vendor directory.